Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, June 27th. The Zen story for today is titled The Merchant Who Sold Emptiness. A traveling merchant arrived in a bustling town, setting up his stall in the marketplace. He laid out his wares, silks, spices, and rare trinkets, but his most prized possession was an empty wooden box. Curious townfolk gathered. "What is in the box?" a woman asked. "Emptiness," the merchant replied with a smile. "And for a price, it can be yours." The people laughed. "Who would buy nothing?" they scoffed. Yet, as the day passed, whispers spread. A scholar approached. "True emptiness is priceless," he mused, and he paid for the box, carrying it always with reverence. By sunset, the merchant had sold every box. When the townspeople returned, hoping to buy one, they found only an empty stall. Confused, they asked, "Where's the merchant?" My child pointed to the horizon where a lone figure disappeared into the fading light, carrying nothing at all. And for the first time, they began to wonder if perhaps they, too, already possessed what he had been selling all along. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What value do you place on emptiness in your life? What value do you place on emptiness in your life? How does space, whether in your mind, home, or heart, create opportunity? How does space, whether in your mind, home, or heart, create opportunity? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also be sure to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.